2022 Kawasaki Ninja 400 continues to impress as one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes on the market. Combining a powerful engine, lightweight frame, and impressive handling, it offers a thrilling ride without overwhelming beginners or experienced riders. Below is a detailed analysis of its key features, performance, design, and overall appeal. Engine and performance. The 2022 Ninja 400 is powered by a 399 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This engine provides an ideal balance of power and torque for both beginners and experienced riders. It delivers a smooth, linear power delivery, which is important for new riders looking for predictability. With around 49 horsepower and 28 lb-ft of torque, the Ninja 400 offers sufficient power for highway riding, track days, and spirited mountain rides. The engine is incredibly responsive, with a rev-happy nature that ensures fun, especially at higher RPMs. The top speed of the Ninja 400 is approximately 105 to 110 miles per hour, 169 to 177 kilometers per hour, making it fast enough for highway cruising while still remaining tame for new riders. The Ninja 400 boasts an excellent fuel economy, typically achieving 50 to 60 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a motorcycle in this class. Its 399 cubic centimeters engine ensures that long trips don't require frequent fuel stops. Design and build quality. The Ninja 400's lightweight frame is one of its defining characteristics. At around 364 pounds, 165 kilograms, the Ninja 400 is easy to maneuver, especially at low speeds. This is a huge plus for novice riders who may struggle with larger, heavier sport bikes. The chassis is designed for stability and agility, with a great balance between sport and comfort. The 2022 model comes in vibrant color schemes, such as lime green, metallic spark black, and pearl blizzard white, allowing riders to choose according to their preferences. Suspension and brakes. The front suspension consists of a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear features a monoshock with adjustable preload. This combination provides a smooth ride, absorbing bumps efficiently while maintaining good handling and stability during cornering. The Ninja 400 is equipped with a 310mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc brake, both offering strong stopping power. Kawasaki has included ABS, anti-lock braking system, as an option in the 2022 model, enhancing rider safety, especially in wet or emergency situations. Technology and features. The 2022 Ninja 400 features a multifunctional LCD display with a speedometer, tachometer, gear position indicator, fuel gauge, and more. This modern dashboard keeps riders informed of essential information, and the bright display ensures readability even in direct sunlight. The ergonomic design of the Ninja 400 allows for a comfortable riding position. The seat is firm but supportive, and the handlebars are positioned to reduce rider fatigue, even on longer rides. Its compact design also ensures easy reach to the ground for shorter riders. The Ninja 400 is equipped with LED headlights, which offer brighter, more efficient lighting compared to traditional halogen lamps, providing better visibility on night rides. Conclusion. The 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 400 continues to impress with its solid performance, sleek design, and rider-friendly characteristics. Whether you're a beginner looking for an accessible sport bike or an experienced rider seeking a fun and nimble motorcycle for city commuting and weekend rides, the Ninja 400 checks all the boxes. With its responsive engine, comfortable